Hello and welcome to Quick Tips 2. If you have poor mobile network reception at home but a strong Wi-Fi connection, you can make and receive phone calls and send text messages over Wi-Fi instead of relying on your mobile network by enabling Wi-Fi calling. Today I'll show you how to enable Wi-Fi calling on your Android 15 phone. Open Settings, tap on Network and Internet, select Internet. Tap the gear icon next to your network provider, in this example it's ID. Scroll up and tap on Wi-Fi calling. Finally, toggle Wi-Fi calling on. Now your phone will automatically route calls through either Wi-Fi or your mobile network depending on your preference and which signal is stronger. Before you enable this feature, check with your mobile network provider to see if any fees apply. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below the video. With Quick Tips 2, knowledge has no limits.